Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tiger's Heart. Today I have some important information for you about Nexen N Priz RH7 tires. So please watch the whole video so you can know some information that I wish I knew before I have these tires. These Nexen tires are rated M+S. I hope that you can see it. They are in dimensions 235, 55, R18, 100H, and I drove of them about 3,000 kilometers. I had these tires on my new KGM Torres 1.5 petrol engine. This KGM is 4-wheel drive model, so it is very important that tires can take all the tasks that the car asks from them. So for now I drove this car in a dry condition, wet condition and mud condition. I didn't drive them in a snow yet. For now I can tell you that these tires in a dry condition have a pretty decent grip. They are not the best on the market, but they are very good. I haven't any problem with them yet. The noise is not big. Fuel consumption is okay for car of this size. I have a fuel consumption of average 10.7 liters because I drive 80% in town and 20% only on the open road. Because of that, the fuel consumption is little larger, but for now on dry condition they are pretty good. Also, when you are cornering, I haven't any time lose traction, so they are good on a drive surface in all kind of conditions. Now let's talk something about wet. I have drive this car with these tires in wet conditions in several times. Even when there was a huge rainy storm, I drove them and I haven't got any problem. I drove them even through the, I think, 20 centimeters of water without any problem. So in wet conditions I would rate them again pretty good. They are not the best I have ever driven, but I haven't experienced any problem with them. But they are very great even in a wet condition. This car has 1.5 petrol turbo engine. It has 163 horsepower, 4-wheel drive. So because of that, importance of great tires is huge for this car. I have drive this car even in a mild off road. That was one time it was gravel and the tires were pretty good on that surface too. I haven't lost any traction. Maybe in rare occasions only front tires spin a little bit, but in a part of millisecond car engages and rear tires and 4-wheel drive mode is taking its job. So in a gravel conditions these tires were also pretty good. I haven't got any problems with that. I mean, they are not for some serious off-road, because I can tell you on my car that I had before, Honda CR-V, all-wheel drive, I had general grabber 83 tires that are dedicated for all kind of terrains, and they were almost excellent on all road conditions, on all terrain drive. So maybe I'm considering, after these tires wear out, that I switch them with General Grabber 83 tires. But for now, I'm very pleased with this car. And I have to tell you one important information that experience when I was driving on a muddy terrain with fallen leaves and grass. I wasn't expecting much from them because these tires are not dedicated for terrain, but I don't know, is it do the car four-wheel drive or tires itself? The car was pretty decent. I mean, it was pretty good in those conditions. The slip, the tire spinning was minor, what you would expect for surface like that, and I was very pleased with its performance. So I think they are pretty good tires for the first tires that you get your car with directly from the factory. Factory choose them very well. I can tell you, these tires, my overall rating is 4 from 5. Why not 5? Because I haven't drove them yet in snow or ice, and I can't tell you how they will perform that, but I can tell you that in about 1 month from now, I'm going to Snow Mountain to skiing, and I will have to drive through snow and mud, and then of course I will make some video about them in these conditions. You can see I didn't show you the tread depth on this tire. I hope that you can see. It has a pretty decent tread depth. I don't know, it's about maybe 8-9 millimeters, but that's only my approximation. You can see it here. Only minor problem is their catching stones, as you can see here, but that is not a huge problem because those stones are coming out when you're driving faster on a highway or something like that. So if you are considering to buy this Nexen N Priz RH7 tires, go for them. They are very good tires, good all-around tires for all year. You can go wrong with them. Of course, there are better tires on the market, but you will pay for that. Much more. But for first tire on this car, I can tell they are great tires. So guys, I hope that you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. Bye bye.